Hello, dear friends. This is the phone support channel. In this video, I want to show and tell you what to do if your WhatsApp stops working. There are several tips, and in this video, I will tell you about them. The first tip is try restarting your app. And the second way is try restarting your smartphone. You restart your iPhone or your Android, and maybe that can help. If not, there's a third way. You need to uninstall a WhatsApp app and download it again. But there is the most effective way. Here you have your standard app, which you can download from the App Store or Play Market. But there is another WhatsApp app created for business, but it can help you if the regular version doesn't work. This is what it looks like. It's a complete copy of the regular app, but it has different features. And if the regular app won't work, the same one will always work. You can find it in the App Store under the name Huawei Business. Click on it, then click OK. Use our phone number. Now this page opens where all our data from our last WhatsApp is transferred. And here we specify our business category. You can choose any of them. Let's say you have no business. Click Next. Go further and now we see the same thing as before. If you're having trouble with a regular app, use this one and everything will work. This has been the Phone Support Channel. Like it and subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.